How to delete Roblox account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device, or you can also open the web version of Roblox. Once opened, simply tap on the More option on the left side toolbar and then tap on the Settings option you see there. Now, in Settings, you will see the option for privacy and content restrictions. So tap on this particular option and simply wait for the page to load. Now, in privacy and content restrictions page, at the bottom you will see the option for account data, deactivation, and deletion. Tap on it and then navigate to delete account option you see there, and then tap on the delete button you see there. In the confirmation that appears, tap on the delete option if you really want to delete your account, and you will then be required to enter the 6-digit code sent to your email for verification purpose. So go ahead and open your mailbox and then enter the code sent by Roblox, and once you have entered the code, simply tap on the verify option you see there, and with this, the account deletion process will begin. If successful, you will be logged out of all your Roblox sessions. So this was about how you can delete Roblox account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.